Welcome to Beijing, a city where ancient history seamlessly blends with modern innovation. In this video, we will take you on a journey through Beijing's top attractions, share local tips, and uncover hidden gems that you won't want to miss. The Great Wall of China stands as a testament to China's rich history and architectural prowess. With breathtaking views and a history that spans centuries, it's a must-visit. For the best experience, consider exploring sections like Mutianyu or Jinshanling to avoid the crowds. Next, we have the Forbidden City, a sprawling complex that once served as the Imperial Palace. Its architecture and cultural significance are truly awe-inspiring. Don't forget to visit the Palace Museum, home to a vast collection of artifacts that tell the story of China's imperial past. The Temple of Heaven is another gem, known for its stunning design and its role in ancient rituals. Visiting early in the morning is a treat, as you'll get to see locals practicing Tai Chi in the serene surroundings. The Beijing National Stadium, also known as the Bird's Nest, is an iconic piece of architecture that gained worldwide fame during the 2008 Olympics. Its unique design continues to captivate visitors. Then there's the CCTV headquarters, a striking building that serves as a media hub. Its innovative design stands out in Beijing's skyline. For a taste of contemporary culture, the 798 Art District is the place to be. This trendy area is filled with galleries, street art, and cozy cafes, making it a haven for art enthusiasts. Beijing's Hutongs offer a glimpse into the city's traditional way of life. These narrow alleyways and courtyard homes are best explored by a rickshaw tour. Be sure to visit Nanluoguxiang for some shopping and delicious snacks. The Summer Palace is another highlight with its beautiful gardens, serene lakes, and historic pavilions. It's a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll. Lastly, the Lama Temple is a stunning example of Buddhist architecture. Its serene atmosphere provides a peaceful escape from the bustling city. In the heart of Beijing, some hidden gems await discovery. First, we have Jingshan Park offering panoramic views of the Forbidden City and a peaceful atmosphere that feels like a world away from the city's hustle and bustle. Next, there's Beihai Park, known for its ancient temples, a picturesque lake, and delightful boat rides. And of course, Dashilan Street, a historic shopping area, brimming with traditional shops and charming tea houses. Each of these places holds a unique charm, waiting to be explored. Food and drink in Beijing are simply extraordinary. For an iconic dish, you can't miss Peking duck. Top spots like Quanjude or Dadong offer the best experience. When it comes to street food, there are must-try snacks like Jianbing, which are savory crepes, and Chuanar, delicious skewers. As for local drinks, you should definitely try jasmine tea, Baijiu, which is a traditional Chinese liquor, and of course, bubble tea. And for the adventurous eaters out there, Wangfujing Snack Street is the place to be. Now let's go over some practical tips for your visit. The best time to visit Beijing is during spring and autumn when the weather is mild. Getting around the city is quite convenient with options like the subway, taxis, and ride-hailing apps like Didi. Mandarin is the primary language, so it's helpful to learn a few basic phrases. And don't forget to check the visa requirements. A little preparation goes a long way. If you have some extra time, there are fantastic day trips you can take from Beijing. The Ming Tombs are a historic site with grand imperial tombs that are truly awe-inspiring. For nature lovers, Fragrant Hills Park offers scenic hiking trails and stunning autumn foliage. Another great option is Tianjin, a nearby city known for its European architecture and amazing food. To wrap things up, Beijing is a city rich in history, culture, and culinary delights, making it a must-visit destination. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more travel content. And we'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite Beijing experiences in the comments below.